The tech world has been buzzing since GPD officially announced the Microbes 2, the long-awaited successor to their beloved ultra-compact professional laptop. After 6 years of development and countless requests from IT professionals, field technicians, and power users, this pocket-sized powerhouse is finally here. Let's dive deep into what makes this device so special and why it might be the perfect tool for mobile professionals. First, let's talk about the physical design evolution. While maintaining the same rugged, professional aesthetic that made the original popular, the Microbes 2 introduces several thoughtful improvements. The most noticeable change is the larger 7-inch 1920 by 1080 IPS touchscreen display with 314 ppi pixel density. This Retina glass screen offers significantly more workspace, while maintaining excellent clarity. The display now boasts 500 nits of brightness, making it usable even in direct sunlight, a crucial feature for field technicians working outdoors. Despite the larger screen size, GPD's engineers have managed to keep the weight increased to just about 50 grams, bringing the total weight to 490 grams, 1.08 pounds. The magnesium alloy chassis has been refined with smoother edges and more rounded corners, making it more comfortable to hold during extended use. The keyboard maintains its thumb-typing-friendly layout, but now features improved key travel and tactile feedback based on user feedback from the original model. Under the hood, the Microbes 2 represents a massive leap forward in performance. At its heart is Intel's new processor N200, featuring for Gracement E-cores that can turbo boost up to 3.8 GHz. This modern architecture delivers approximately 3 times the CPU performance of the original Microbes' N200 processor when operating at 15 WTDP. In real-world terms, this means the ability to comfortably run multiple virtual machines, compile code faster, and handle demanding network diagnostic tools without slowdowns. The integrated graphics have seen an even more impressive upgrade. The UHD graphics solution now features 32 execution units running at up to 1.25 GHz, delivering about 5 times the graphical performance of the first-generation model. While not designed for gaming, this makes the Microbes 2 capable of driving multiple 4K displays, editing photos, and even handling some light video editing tasks. The improved GPU also enables smoother performance when working with graphical network monitoring tools or CAD applications. Memory and storage configurations have received significant attention in this new model. The Microbes 2 come standard with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM running at 4800 MT per second, providing ample memory bandwidth for professional workloads. What's truly groundbreaking is the storage solution. Not only does it include a fast 512 GB to 2280 SSD with PCIe Gen 3 x4 interface, but it's also the first device in its class to support double-sided M.2 SSDs up to 8 TB capacity. This eliminates the storage limitations that many professionals faced with the original model and makes the Microbes 2 viable as a primary work machine. Connectivity is where the Microbes 2 truly stands out from the competition. The port selection reads like a dream for IT professionals and field technicians to USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports 10 gigabits per second supporting DisplayPort 1.4 and power delivery to USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports 10 gigabits per second for legacy devices. Full-size HDMI 2.1 output supporting 4K 60Hz to 0.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port for high-speed networking. UHSI microSD card reader for expandable storage. Wi-Fi 6.0 to .11x and Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless connectivity. This impressive array of ports allows the Microbes 2 to drive up to 3 external 4K displays simultaneously, a first for any device in this form factor. The inclusion of 5G Ethernet is particularly noteworthy for network professionals who need reliable, high-speed wired connections for packet analysis and network diagnostics. The keyboard, while compact, has been carefully designed for professional Use: the layout maintains the same thumb-typing friendly design that made the original popular, with some refinements based on user feedback. Key travel has been improved to 1.2 millimeters, and the tactile feedback has been tuned for better accuracy during extended typing sessions. The keyboard also features adjustable backlighting with 2 brightness levels, making it usable in low-light environments like server rooms or data centers. Battery life appears strong, though GPD hasn't released exact capacity figures yet. Early testing suggests 7 to 8 hours of typical professional use, which includes tasks like coding, network monitoring, and terminal work. The device also supports a battery bypass mode that allows it to run directly from AC power when plugged in for extended periods, helping to preserve battery health. For professionals who work in various environments, the Microbes to include several thoughtful features. The 500-nit display ensures good visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, while the fanless operation at lower power levels makes it completely silent, perfect for meetings or quiet work environments. The device also includes a built-in accelerometer that can automatically rotate the screen orientation when the device is turned. While the Microbes ships with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, it has excellent support for Linux distributions. All hardware components have good open-source driver support, making it an excellent choice for developers and security professionals who prefer Linux environments. Popular distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Kali Linux all run smoothly on the hardware, with full functionality for all ports and features. Compared to similar devices in the ultra-portable category, the Microbes stands out with its professional-focused design and features. While devices like the One Netbook A1 or GPD's own Pocket series offer similar form factors, the Microbes' combination of ports, rugged construction, and professional-oriented features make it uniquely suited for IT work. The inclusion of 5G Ethernet, dual USB-C with DisplayPort support, and full-size HDMI give it connectivity options that surpass many full-sized laptops. The device is expected to begin shipping in late 2025, though pricing hasn't been officially announced yet. Given its professional target market and premium specifications, it will likely command a higher price than the original Microbes, potentially positioning it against premium ultra-portables from mainstream manufacturers. In conclusion, the GPD Microbes represents a significant evolution of the Pocket PC concept. It maintains the core philosophy that made the original popular while addressing nearly every limitation that users encountered. The performance upgrades, expanded storage options, and improved connectivity make this one of the most capable ultra-portable computers ever created. Whether you're a network engineer needing a portable diagnostic tool, a field technician requiring a rugged work machine, or a power user who wants maximum capability and minimum space, the Microbes deserve serious consideration. What do you think about the new Microbes 2? Are these the upgrades you were hoping for, or do you think GPD missed some opportunities? Let us know in the comments what features matter most to you in a pocket-sized professional PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth coverage of cutting-edge tech like this.